Hey guys, and welcome to Best Driving Academy. We are beyond excited to have you a part of the Best Driving Academy family. Now, what we want you to do is watch this quick video as it's going to go over some important information in order for you to be very successful. Now, one of the things I definitely want to make sure that you understand is you are in a safe place. This is your home. This is your family. We are here to make this process very smooth for you. So if you do watch this video, which is mandatory, and you follow all of the steps, everything is going to be really smooth. Now, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. All right, so what to expect with Best Driving Academy? First thing is when you get into your student account, you want to make sure that you signed up for the correct class. If you signed up for in person, make sure you signed up for that. If it's virtual, make sure you signed up for virtual. Now, if you did not sign up for the correct class, it's okay. We can fix it. Simply just send us a text message or an email stating which class you would like to be moved into, okay? Now, for those of you who are going to be joining the virtual class, we will send an email the day before class starts so that you know how to access your Zoom. But just so you know, it's going to be located right here in your student account where it says Zoom link access, and it will have the code there as well. Now, when you guys get into your account, first thing we want you to do is students, confirm that your email is correct. The moment you signed up, you and whoever else was on your registration should have received a welcome email. If you do not see that welcome email, be sure to check your junk mail. If you do not see it in your junk mail, then your email is probably not correct. You're simply just going to go to edit profile and make sure that your email and other contact information is proper. Now, parents, if you are registering your student, please make sure to use the student's email. Our system is designed to email everyone who's on the registration. So it's no way for us to remove you off the email, but we also want to make sure that the student doesn't have the parent's email because parents typically don't forward this information to the students. And so we also want to make sure the students are taking accountability for this whole process. Parents, we also want to make sure that you have the correct email as well. For students and parents, be sure to click enable for text and email so that you will receive alerts and will not miss any important information. Now, when it comes to your license permit, or I'm sorry, when it comes to your permit, if you do not have a permit yet, it is okay. You can still register for the class, just keep this blank. If you do have your permit, be sure to put in your permit information. Now, we will go over this in orientation class, but you just want to make sure not to, like if you don't have your permit, you are allowed to get your permit at the MBA once you are 15 and 9 months. Be sure to schedule your appointment for the MBA. With Best Driving Academy, we do have an MBA playlist where you'll be able to select it, study MBA questions, and then be able to go take your permit. But if you're taking this class, we'll explain that all on day one for the orientation. Now, when if you are a part of the payment plan, you will be able to go online and make payments yourself. We do not take payments over the phone. Our system does not store any credit card information. All you have to do is sign into your student account, click on the button that says make payment, and make your payment. If you want to make your payment by cash, you are more than welcome. Just be sure to shoot us an email or a text letting us know so that we can always make sure to have someone in the office available to help you. When it comes to payment plan students, you want to make sure that you have your full payment made before the last day of your class. So by day 9, you have to have your full balance paid. If for whatever reason you're not able to make that payment, please contact us immediately so that we can let you know what your options are. If you already know now when your start date is and that you're not going to be able to make your full payment by day 9, please let us know so that we can put you in a class and afford you the opportunity to be able to make the payments how you need. Whenever you make your payment, you're able to click on make payment. Inside this box where it says charge amount, you're going to put whatever amount you want, whether it's $5, $10, 20, it's 100% up to you, just as long as your full balance is paid by day 9. Now, with your student account and features, we have such things as make payment, view your class history, view your transcripts, edit account, and so much more. When it comes to view class history, you are able to go on here and view exactly what your instructor put as far as notes. Now, parents, if you want to know what's going on in your student's class, whether it's online or in person, this is where you're going to go. This is where your grade is going to be. This is where the notes and as well as any homework and tips that instructors may have for your student. Now, when it comes to credits for class, you will receive credit by attendance, participation, and completing your quizzes. We do take attendance 3 times during the class. We take it once at the beginning, once randomly in the middle, and at the end before we give you your quiz. Keep it in mind, you will only receive credit when you have completed all of these tasks: attendance, participation, and completed your quiz. Your instructor will go over quizzes and all of that stuff on day one. Also, keep in mind, it is your responsibility to keep an eye on your student account. If you are missing any credit, maybe you missed a class or something, and you want to make sure that your credit is received, always communicate with your instructor, either in person class or through chat if you're doing the online class. Now, when it comes to viewing your transcripts, all you have to do is go to your student account, click on View Transcripts, and this is where you're going to find all the emails that we have ever sent you, starting with the terms of service. So if you ever have a question about, okay, what am I getting with this class? You can always go to View Transcript, click Terms of Service, and that's where the terms of service is. You can also see the welcome email or any emails that you think you may have missed. We recommend that you check this daily because you may not check your email all the time, or you may be someone that has thousands of emails in your account. So if you go to view transcripts, you will be able to view your email. Now, keep in mind, when you view transcripts and you download it, when you're trying to open that, it is going to be based on your system, meaning your computer system. So if you have Microsoft Outlook, if you have Gmail, it's going to open up based on what you have for your system. View transcripts may not work for you if you're trying to do it from your phone. Now, we also have a YouTube channel where you guys can get all kinds of information, such as how to set up your vehicle, how to reverse park, a bunch of other things. Now, if there's anything in there that you would like us to create, just let us know and we'll be more than happy to add it to our playlist. We also have tips and techniques for parents in order to communicate and help your students to get through these programs. We also have a TikTok channel that has videos such as how to reverse park from the outside, how to reverse park from the inside, and the NBA road test. So all these things are here to help you. Last but not least, in order to be successful for this class, we definitely tell you one thing: read and follow instructions. All of our emails, as well as the videos, are designed to be short, straight to the point, and to help you. If you do not read it, you can find yourself with unnecessary fees or missing out on information such as how to schedule your drives. All right, if you guys have any questions, definitely do not feel any hesitation to reach out to us. You can either email us at contact@bestdriving.com, or you can send us a text at 301 885 0077. We look forward to seeing you guys in class.